Hey everyone, Shotgun Rider here. Gonna go to a motorcycle store, dealership, check out some of their bikes. We just had like 3 days of bad weather, thunderstorm, and all sorts of things. Hopefully it's supposed to stop. Hopefully it doesn't start raining today, because there's a lot of clouds up there. So we'll go check out some bikes, and hopefully we get nice weather. Alright, almost at the dealership. Looks like we just missed the train. Good. I want to wait behind the train. Alright. Actually, this isn't a train, it's just a Max. It passes pretty fast. It's got cables for electricity and... Hurry up, turn. Thank you. Some people just take forever to turn. You don't have to come to a complete stop to turn your vehicle left or right. I'm pretty sure it's capable of taking a turn at a little bit of speed. Anyway, there it is. Go check out some bikes. Here's some dirt bikes. All the stuff outside is used, I think. Let's see what they got here. CBR 250s, Ninja 250, ZX6 with bad tires, CBR 500, another ZX6, GX6 R6. Hayabusa. If you really need that extra power, or just comfortable, I guess they have comfortable seats. Kawasaki Versys. Some more dirt bikes over there. FC8. Hondas. CB 500X. Cool. Haven't seen one of those yet. Same thing as the CB R500, but just a bigger frame, or a bigger, higher suspension and stuff, mostly. Adventure style. Try to get through here. Some cruisers, if you guys like cruisers. Don't ask me to name any off because I have no idea what cruiser is what. Alright, let's see. What do we want to sit on? R1. That seat's got a lot of cushion right there. It's a nice KTM right there. That's probably an employee's though. Not for sale. Please don't sit on. Here's an FZ8. They look kind of nice, kind of comfy. Big comfy seat. Pretty low to the ground. Well, not too bad actually. Eh. Here's the showroom. It's tiny. Cram all these bikes in here. Well, that was the store. Sticker free. That was the motorcycle store. Small one. We have a bigger one around here, but we're not gonna go to that one today. They have a lot of used bikes. A lot of new bikes crammed in that showroom. They have a really nice KTM. Well, I don't know what it's called, a Super Duke or something. V-twin. Lots of power out of that thing. Wish I could ride one of those. I don't know if I'd want to own one, but I wouldn't mind. Yeah, check it out. Little moped with a seat. Coasting along.